Hello friends, in this series of omelets we are now going to cook a veggie one. We need corn, green pea, carrot, and some green onion and parsley and coriander that we need to chop them. We also need some bell pepper, colorful ones, and I've chopped all the vegetable and mixed them in one bowl. We also need onion, 1 cup will do. Now we prepare our egg. I've already cracked 2 eggs, and now I'm going to add the third one. For the size we want to make 3 eggs is enough. Now we are adding some salt and black pepper. Now we can either use the manual mixer or a handheld electric. I have to add some milk as well, a couple of tablespoons of milk. Now we mix everything together. Now we have all the vegetable and herb and onion and egg ready. We're gonna start cooking. We add cooking oil in one pan. And add the onion and spread it and wait until it gets soft. Now the onion looks okay. We are going to add our vegetable to it, which is a mixture of carrot, green peas, and bell pepper, colorful bell pepper, and also corn. Now we stir it until it actually gets soft. Trying to spread it so that the heat gets to it evenly. Now vegetable is ready. We just add some soy sauce to it to give it a good flavor. Don't forget not to give too much soy sauce because it makes it salty. We add some cooking oil to the other pan. And it's hot enough. We pour the egg mixture. And wait for it to get to a point that it will move in the pan freely and it's not sticking anymore. Now, yes, you can see it's fine now, and we are gonna add our vegetable in the middle. Avoid the edges so that they don't fall out. Now we flip one side of the egg on top of the vegetable. Oh, before we do that, we add some of our green onion and also the coriander and parsley that we chopped. Now we flip one end over the vegetable. And hold it so that it sticks and doesn't open up. Now the other side, we do the same. We hold it so that it sticks. And now we flip the whole omelette over and wait for a couple of minutes and the omelette will be ready. Now we move the omelette from the frying pan to the serving plate. And we are going to garnish it with some green onion and some mint, fresh mint. And the omelette is ready.